Hi, I'm Amy Goodman, travel expert with some great tips for summer travel. So first off, Booking.com did some research to find out what Americans most look for a relaxing vacation. And they found that they really turn towards interior design for a relaxing vacation for their accommodations. So you really want to turn towards their mobile app or their website when you're doing your booking to rely upon their over 4.3 million reviews by guests who've actually stayed on those properties to really sleuth out what you're looking for in your own accommodations, such as great lighting or modern furniture, or maybe you want some cozy attributes when it comes to those great interior design details. And with over 1 million places to stay for every different type of budget, whether you want to stay in an apartment or a villa or a 5-star hotel, or maybe it's a farmhouse or a chateau or a house, there's so many different places to stay. You will definitely find a place that suits not only your budget, but also your interior design taste. Now, next up, summer travel has all different types of unexpected surprises, hopefully more good than bad. But when you have Allianz Travel Insurance on your side, you can really rest carefree. We have entered hurricane season this June through next November, and you want to make sure you have the right insurance policy to make sure that you have a carefree travel experience. And this may reimburse your prepaid, non-refundable travel expenses if you cancel, or it can reimburse additional expenses if you incur so that you can return and travel safely. Now, to keep in mind, you have to book your travel insurance when you actually book your trip, because if a hurricane has been named or a storm has been named, it is too late to then book your travel insurance. So make sure you do it when you book your trip. And also to keep in mind that U.S. health insurance may not be accepted when you travel abroad. So make sure, once again, that your travel insurance policy includes medical benefits so that when you return home stateside from your international travels, you are not facing a mountain of medical bills. Also, when you're hitting that open road with your family, you definitely want to make sure you make a stop at Cracker Barrel. It is an iconic stop for fabulous shopping and delicious homemade eats that really make your trip so much more special. And they have this amazing campfire menu that is not to be missed. People travel from miles just to check it out during the summertime because it has smoky beef brisket breakfast, which is new to the menu, also barbecue pork, roasted sweet glazed chicken, and the s'mores latte, which of course is a twist on the camping dessert, and of course fan favorites from years past, including the campfire beef and also the s'mores dessert. This is all available through July 15th, so you've got to make your travel plans now and make sure you take advantage of it. And last but not least, as you're hitting that open road, you want to make sure you have a fabulous set of tires to get you there. And a Grand Touring tire is such a tire to deliver. And of course, from Yokohama, we have their Avid Ascend GT tire that is practically debuting today to make sure that you have a safe journey. It has so many attributes, including an incredible, remarkable tread life, a smooth handling, and also a hush, quiet ride. While we're talking about summer travel, of course, it is also amazing in wet and wintry road conditions. So it is giving you great confidence seasonally because it's a great all-season tire. Again, take that 5-minute check when it comes to your tires, including checking your air pressure and your tread to make sure that you are going to be safe on that open road during your seasonal summer travels. And wishing everybody a very, very safe travel season this summer. Don't forget to go to betterstuffforlife.com for everything that we discussed today.